cash sales transaction configuration. Cash sales refers to transactions in which goods or services are sold by a business and the payment is made immediately in the form of cash. In the cash sales, the buyer provides the full payment at the time of transaction and the seller receives the cash directly. Record the following cash sales transaction in the books of Rainbow Trade House India Private Limited. Transaction details. Company rendered professional services to Akash Media Tech Private Limited against cash payment in check for rupees 17,500 dated on 15th of April 2023. Payment details. Check number 100589, check date 15th of April 2023, bank name JNS Bank, branch Colaba. This is a pure cash sales transaction for service rendered to Akash Media Tech Private Limited for 17,500 rupees. Let's record cash sales transaction in books of accounts. Cash sales should be recorded under sales voucher. To access sales voucher in Tally Prime, we should navigate to vouchers option under transactions from gateway of Tally. Press F8 for sales voucher. Press Ctrl H, change mode. Sales voucher in Tally Prime can be recorded as item invoice format, accounting invoice format, as voucher format. Item invoice format to be selected while recording inventory transaction. Accounting invoice format can be selected in case of service sales transaction or non-inventory sales transaction. As voucher to record sales voucher under double entry mode, that is debit and credit or buy and to. Here, there is no inventory details available in transaction. It is a cash sales. We will record the entry using accounting invoice format. Cash sales transaction, account invoice. Sales number, that is sales voucher number, also called as sales invoice number. Sales invoice number is auto-populated as we have already configured method of voucher numbering. It is displaying as sales 001 202324. Method has been selected as automatic manual override, where number method will be auto-selected, and as a user, we can change it manually as well. We will keep the voucher number as default. Press F2 to change date. 15th of April 2023. Party account name. As it is a cash sales, amount received in bank account. Hence, instead of party account name, we will select bank account ledger. Bank account ledger as HDFC bank account. Dispatch details related to supply of inventory. As this is non-inventory supply, hence we will accept as default. Enter. Under party details, we need to update the details of the buyer. As it is a cash sales transaction, hence we can either select the ledger name from given list of ledger accounts if it is available, or we can choose option to create. Ledger to be created if transactions occur on regular basis, or else If it is occasional transaction, then we can select option as New Party. Let's select New Party to enter details manually. Party name Aakash Media Tech Private Limited. Enter. We can update address of Aakash Media Private Limited over here. Enter. State, country and pin code. Under particulars, we need to select Service Revenue Ledger. Service has been rendered in the form of professional services. Professional Service Revenue Ledger is not available. Hence, we can use Create option, available under list of ledger accounts, or we can use shortcut key Alt-C to create a master from transaction level. Ledger name as Professional Services. Based on company's chart of accounts, professional service revenue can be grouped under income as direct or indirect. Here, we will select direct income, enter and accept. Amount 17,500. As it is a cash payment, hence we need to update details related to transaction under bank allocation screen. As it is a payment via check, hence under transaction type, check or DD should be selected. Instrument number 100589. Check date 15th of April 2023. Bank name JNS Bank. JNS Bank is available under list of banks. Select it. Branch Colaba. Enter. Received from Aakash Media Tech Private Limited. Enter. Enter. Narration. Being service invoice raised against check payment. Enter to accept. Credit sales transaction. Account invoice. Credit sales refers to transactions in which goods or services are sold by a business to a customer on credit, allowing the customer to make payment at a later date, typically with specific terms and conditions. Unlike cash sales where payment is received immediately, credit sales extends a line of credit to customers, allowing them to defer payment. Record following credit sales transaction in the books of Rainbow Trade House India Private Limited. Transaction details. First, company sold material to KK Enterprises, Mumbai for Rs 50,500 on 15 days credit dated on 18th of April 2023. Second, material sold for Rs 20,500 to Mr. Mahesh on 5 days credit dated on 20th April 2023. Third, an invoice for professional service raised on Tech World Private Limited for Rs 20,500 dated on 21st April 2023 due within 7 days. Here, in all three transactions, payments are to be received from the customers on future dates. Hence, these are the examples of credit sales transactions in books of accounts. Let's record these sales transactions in Tally Prime. To access sales voucher in Tally Prime, we should navigate to vouchers under transactions from Gateway of Tally. We are on sales voucher creation page. Here we can see F8 sales button is inactive on button panel. It means we are already accessing sales voucher in Tally Prime. Press Ctrl H to change mode. Here we can select Item Invoice, Accounting Invoice as Voucher mode to record sales transaction. As these transactions are non-inventory transactions, hence we will record these sales transactions using Accounting Invoice format and as Voucher format. Let's select option Accounting Invoice format. Sales number, that is sales invoice number. It is showing as sales 002 202324. Press F2 to change date. 18th of April 2023. It is a credit sales. Hence, we need to select party account name from list of ledger accounts. Party name as KK Enterprises. KK Enterprises ledger is not available in books of accounts. Hence, we will use create option under list of ledger accounts. Party name as KK Enterprises. Group under sundry debtors. Maintain balances bill by bill, yes. Address details. State Maharashtra. Pin code. Other information as default. Enter to accept. Dispatch details related to supply of material. Let's accept as default. Under party details, we can see details of the buyer as buyer bill to, mailing name, address, state, country and pin code. Here we can also access F12 configure option to enable information such as provide separate buyer and consignee details, provide mailing name, provide pin code. Enter to accept. We can see separate details of buyer and consignee, that is bill to and ship to. Enter the information. Under particulars, we need to select sales account. Sales account ledger is not available. Hence, we will use create option under list of ledger accounts to create sales account ledger. Ledger name as sales accounts. Grouped under sales accounts. Sales account is direct income of business. Enter and accept. Amount 50,500. Enter. Here, under Billwise details for KK Enterprises, we need to select type of reference as new reference. It is a fresh sales invoice, hence reference to be selected as new reference. Enter. Bill name. Credit period as 15 days. Amount 50,500. Enter to accept. Narration being material sold on credit. Enter and accept. Credit sales transaction voucher format. Next transaction, material sold for Rs 20,500 to Mr. Mahesh on 5 days credit. dated on 20th of April 2023. Press F2 to change date. Sales voucher number as sales 003 202324, as it is a credit sales transaction. Hence, we need to create a ledger Mr. Mahesh. Select option Create under list of ledger accounts. Grouped under Sundry Debtors. Maintain balances bill by bill, yes. Address detail, Andheri. State Maharashtra. Pin code. Other information as default. Enter to accept. Dispatch details related to supply of inventory. Accept as default. Under party details, we can verify details of the buyer. Here we can see buyer, that is bill to, consignee, that is shipped to, details are available. These details can be configured by accessing F12 configure option. To disable separate buyer and consignee details, we should set this option as no. Enter. Here we can see consignee details have disappeared. Enter. Under particulars, sales accounts, amount as 20,500. Under bill-wise details, type of reference as new reference, invoice number, due date or credit days as 5 days. In case if bill-wise reference is not appearing while recording sales and purchase transactions in Tally Prime, we can access F12 configure option. And we can check whether option of use default bill-wise details for bill allocation is set to yes. If it is set as yes, disable it. If the option use default bill-wise details for bill allocation is set to yes, then Tally Prime will not ask for bill-wise details for bill allocation while recording sales or purchase transaction. If it is set to be no, then user can enter bill-wise details while recording sales or purchase transaction in Tally Prime. Enter to accept. Narration being material sold on credit. Enter to accept. Next transaction for professional services raised on Tech World Private Limited for 20,500 rupees. We will record this sales voucher using voucher format mode. Press Ctrl H, change mode. Select as voucher. Press F2 for date. 21st of April 2023. Debit. Tech World Private Limited. Tech World Private Limited ledger is not available. Hence, we can use Create Menu option available under List of Ledger Accounts. Or we can also create ledger using shortcut key Alt-C. Ledger name as Tech World Private Limited. Group under Sundry Debtors. Maintain balances bill by bill, yes. Address as Pune. Other information set to be default. Enter and accept. Dispatch details related to supply of inventory. to be accepted as default. Under party details, we can see detail of the buyer, amount 20,500, bill-wise reference as new reference, bill name, due within 7 days, enter, credit, income ledger. As per transaction details, it is professional service income. Professional service ledger is not available under list of ledger accounts. We can verify by option available Show More. Under Show More, we can see professional services ledger account already exists. Select the ledger. Amount 20,500. Narration: being invoice raised for service on credit. Enter to accept. This way in Tally Prime, we can access accounting invoice format and voucher invoice format for sales voucher to record credit sales transaction.